This is a number I thought I'd never see in my brokerage account. 36,000%. In 2015, I took £228.13, basically the cost of a weekend away, and invested it into a single stock. Today, that position has grown exponentially, and it has helped me to build a dividend portfolio that pays me in cash each and every month. Today, I want to walk you through the logic, the mistakes, and the strategy of how I turned one growth seed into a lifetime of passive income. Hi, I'm Simone. I'm not a financial guru. I'm just an ordinary person who's trying to build real wealth in the stock market. My goal is to inspire you to join the journey because in this economic climate, the biggest risk you take is not to be investing at all. Just a quick disclaimer before we begin. Nothing in this video is financial advice. It's just for entertainment and educational purposes. You should do your own research as investing carries risk. So let me take you back to February 2015 when I was walking through the aisles of Dixon's. If you're over 50 and from the UK, you'll remember Dixon's, that iconic electrical gadget shop with the bright red shop front that dominated our high streets for decades. It was the go-to place for everything electrical. Sat navs, digital cameras, the newest PCs and laptops, MP3 players, you name it. I'd visit the store regularly and I noticed a pattern. Every machine that was capable of high-end performance had that green Nvidia GeForce sticker on it. I went home and did what any curious investor should do. I did the research. I discovered that Nvidia wasn't just one of the players. They were the number one company in the world for graphics cards. I thought about the growth of laptops globally and realized that as the world moved away from bulky home computers toward portable power, Nvidia's real estate in those laptops will become more valuable. So on February 15th, 2015, I bought 15 shares of Nvidia at the price of £14.42 per share. I didn't know about ISAs back then, so I just opened a standard Hargreaves and Lansdown funds and shares account. It was a simple thesis, but it was one of the best financial decisions of my life. People often ask me, if you knew it was so good, why didn't you buy more? Well, I was caught in the psychological trap of investing. Every year, from 2017 onwards, I would look at Nvidia and think about adding to it. But I'd go on YouTube or read the news, and the story was always the same thing. It's at the top. It's overpriced. The PE ratio is too high. I listened to the noise. I let the valuation experts talk me out of adding to my winner. The lesson that I've since learned: truly great companies always look expensive. If you're waiting for a fair price on a generational company, you might be waiting forever. By 2021, the position was up in the thousands. But I realised I wanted to see more than just a number on the screen. I wanted cash flow. Interestingly, Nvidia itself helped to build that mindset. Over the 10 years I've owned the stock, I have been receiving consistent dividend payments from them. While the yield is small, seeing those payments hit my account year after year reinforced the idea of being a business owner and not just a stock trader. So I began harvesting Nvidia to build my monthly dividend portfolio. In June 2023, when the stocks had gone up to £27,000, I sold 21 shares for £6,940. Previous to that, I had already sold 2 shares for £864 to take a punt on crypto. That was already 4 times my original investment. I took around 6,000 of that 6,940 and rotated it directly into dividend paying giants like Coca-Cola, BATS or British American Tobacco, and AbbVie. On the 9th of June 2025, after the 10-to-1 stock split, I sold a further 20 stocks and cashed in £2,066. Every penny went straight into the dividend side of my portfolio. Let that sink in for a minute. I've taken £7,000 out of an initial investment of £228. That's more than 30 times my original capital, and the remaining position is still worth, wait for it, over £40,000. That's a 36,000% return on my initial investment of £228. That's what I call a ka-ching moment. If I could go back with the knowledge that I have now, I would have kept adding to the position and I would probably be a millionaire by now. Hindsight is a great thing, or not. This is the power of letting great companies compound over time. By converting a portion of Nvidia's capital appreciation into cash flow machines like Coca-Cola or AbbVie, I'm transforming a single technology investment into a sustainable income. These aren't just tickers you see on the phone, they are real companies that pay me each month. I've also fixed my early mistake. I'm now focused on tax efficiency by investing in my Trading 212 Stocks ISA account. Trading 212 are my go-to broker, and they currently pay 3.8% on uninvested money sitting in your brokerage account. If you want to open an account with just £1 today, you'll find the link in the description below. Thanks to multiple stock splits over the years, my original Hargreaves Lansdown position, despite selling shares over £7,000, still holds 290 shares. I'm also adding fresh capital, and I bought 10 new shares in my ISA account at an average of £67 per share. Those 10 shares are already up over 100% and are worth just shy of £1,500. It just goes to show that Nvidia is still finding ways to surprise the market. So what am I watching now? I'm looking for that same quality and dominance in the market that Nvidia had back in 2015. And this year, I'm paying close attention to Alphabet, the parent company of Google. Let me know in the comments below what stock you're looking at or investing in at the moment. I currently own 5.7 shares of Google, and they're up 92% to date. Much like Nvidia in 2015, Google have a dominant place in the market and an AI tailwind that I think the market is currently underestimating. I aim to keep building this machine and using the growth to help fund my dividend portfolio. If you want to see exactly how much the likes of Coca-Cola or AbbVie pay me each month, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I post monthly updates where I go through what I got paid that month. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.